Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Grom 125. This mini moto just arrived with only 1,073 miles. ABS equipped, fuel injected, and wait till you hear that exhaust pipe. It's got some pink anodized levers, nice motocross style bars, fender eliminator. Come on by and make your Grom dreams come true for just $29.99. This cool little bike is not going to be here long. We've got financing. We have warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.